Junior Animators, and welcome to the Ultimate Beginner's Edition of Stop Motion Animation. For those of you that have never done stop motion before, today we're going to cover the very basics. That way you can get up to speed and follow along with our episodes. This episode is for people around 6 to 96 years old. This online class is perfect for beginners who have never done stop motion animation before. I'm going to take you through all of the basics and the apps that you can use at home. In this episode, all you're going to need is one object and your iPad. Let's have a look. I'm going to use a red Posca. I love red Poscas and I think they look awesome on a cardboard background. Then I'm going to open up my iPad and go to this app, iStopMotion. iStopMotion costs $14.99, so if you're going to use it, you must get the permission to download from a guardian at home. For now, we're going to have a look at the basics in iStopMotion, as that's the app that my students at school have been using. In a later episode, we will visit stop motion and have a look at the differences. Put on iStopMotion. The next thing we're going to do is press the plus sign for a new project, like that. We're going to change our frame rate. I'm going to explain quickly what frame rate is. The frame is what you can see right now. Every time you take a photo in iStopMotion, it makes a sound like this. So a frame is a photo. When we animate, we like to set our frame rate higher to make things look nice and smooth. Currently, most apps sit on 12 frames per second. That means for every second, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Lots of people do different frame rates for different reasons, but for these exercises, we're going to keep it on 25. In the beginning of all of our animations, I like to take 50 blank frames. That means we get 2 seconds to understand what we're looking at before the animation begins. Now for the fun part. We're going to move our object from one side of the screen to the other. I'm going to go from the left to the right because it's easier as my record button is on the right hand side. Make sure you're not moving the object too far. If you move it really far, it will go past really fast. If you want to make it nice and smooth, move it a small amount and then take the photo. If you want it to be faster, maybe try that next time with taking less frames. So, to recap, the way that we make it go faster is to move it further each time. But if you want it to be nice and slow and smooth, you're going to move it just a little bit every time. Now that you've finished your Ultimate Beginners exercises, you might want to try episode 1, Magic Paper. Stay tuned for more, guys. Can't wait to see what you did. Cheers. Keep it rolling.